Bob Carr here for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio this afternoon, Mr. Roberto. Thanks for coming in, sir.
Thanks for having me, Bob.
So what's happening in the sales world of TLC? What you up to?
Well, lights are slowing a little bit, so we're getting ready for Christmas lights. People are getting ready to start celebrating Thanksgiving and Christmas season, so we're starting to work on those.
So you got a lot of Xmas sales going on, huh?
Yes, sir.
Keeping you busy?
Yep.
Good work, good work. So how you making out on, I know you're working on a couple of large commercial jobs with metal roofs this year.
Yep.
And how's that going?
Well, it's pretty good. I mean, we're doing a big church in PG County. It's been a challenge because it's a metal roof, so the guys need to be a little bit more careful, use different materials, but I think it's coming out nice.
Good deal. How about residential on their homes? A lot of sales?
Yep. A lot of people are doing big houses, small houses, townhouses.
You name it, you're illuminating it.
Yep.
Brings a lot of joy to a lot of people.
Yep.
So, Roberto, what's most popular this year? Mini C7s, wreath, green wreath. What do we got going on? What are you seeing? Every year is a little bit different.
Yeah, I think this year people are. I think C7s are what most people are still doing, but a lot of people are experimenting with smaller C3s. Most people are sticking with warm white, cool white, but some people are also trying green and red.
What are you seeing big in the Xmas this year as far as product?
Well, most people they're sticking with C7s.
For the roof line.
Yeah, for the roof line. Some homeowners, larger homes, they're experimenting with C9s. Mm-hmm. Most people are doing white, warm white, cool white, and other people are still experimenting with red and green.
I gotcha. How about on your minis?
Minis, yeah, we're doing a lot of minis. Always trying to get the homeowner what they want. Trying to match the color with the roof line and the
match it all up.
Shrubbery, yeah.
Selling a lot of wreaths this year. Is that a big demand?
Yep. We're doing 24-inch wreath, 36-inch wreath, all the way to 7 feet.
There's a lot of wreath.
Yeah.
Starting to hang in that. It's a lot of weight.
Yep.
You got to be very careful when you're installing them on homes.
Yeah.
Especially when you get the wind blowing them around. Got to tie them off 3 different ways for the installer. So it's a lot of work, but they're beautiful.
Yep.
So make sure you tell your clients or probable prospects when you're out there on Christmas holiday sales that X amount of product, the inventory will get low, and then we can't order anymore.
Yep.
So you got to make sure that's expressed to people. It starts off that we have everything because we ordered everything back in February this year. It all arrived 1st of September, and now it's into the fall when we're starting to do the rehangs and new Christmas installs. But if someone waits to the last minute, it might not get their selection they wanted.
Yeah.
So you got to make sure you express that to folks.
Yeah, we're calling customers, see if they want to move forward. The sooner the better, so they can get earlier on the schedule.
And I always tell clients too, what's your second color? If we don't have this in stock, what's your next color?
Your plan
and we
B?
know what we have to make their holiday enjoyable for them, because sometimes you don't get your first selection.
Yeah.
Roberto, appreciate you coming in today, spending a couple minutes with us.
Thanks for having me, Bob.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. And we'll see you next week with another episode.